What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys here 3 huge reasons why I believe Celsius is the best crypto app, at least my favorite one. And if by the end of the video I convince you and show you guys here why Celsius is a must-have app if you're into crypto, if you use my referral code in the description and pinned comment below for Celsius, you'll get $50 free worth of Bitcoin. That's right, $50 free worth of Bitcoin. I actually made a video on how to add a promo code step by step. If you want to watch that by the end of this video, I'll leave it right up here in the cards. I'm gonna show you guys here my top 3 reasons why Celsius is my favorite crypto app and the best one in my opinion. So let's get started here with the first reason, the first one, and this one is gonna be a huge one: promo codes. Okay, I've never seen an exchange, a crypto exchange, that gives so much free money out like Celsius. As you guys know, the standard is you get $10 free worth of Bitcoin, right? Coinbase has that, right? Gemini has that, and I think a couple other ones. But Celsius is on another level. I've never seen this before, and they're always adding new promo codes. So even after you sign up, you can still add these promo codes and get literally free crypto. I'm right here in the Celsius website where they show you all the promo codes, okay? After you sign up, you're gonna get that $50 free worth of Bitcoin from my referral code. If you put in this promo code, and this is it right here, HODL50, if you type that in Celsius, in the Celsius app where it has the promo codes, you'll get another $50 free worth of Bitcoin. So right there, that's $100 free worth of Bitcoin. And like I said, they have multiple promo codes. So for example here, if you like BNB, they have one for BNB, BNB40, $40 worth of BNB. Of course, you gotta follow the steps. You gotta put in $400 worth of BNB, and you got to keep it there for a month. Again, if you want to watch the step-by-step video on how to do this and all the details in it, I have it right here in the top for the cards. But it's very simple and it's literally free crypto. You'll get $40 worth of Uniswap. Doing the same thing. They have PaxG, $60 worth of PaxG for $400. They have Cardano. If you're a big fan of Cardano, they have one right here, $40 worth of Cardano that you would get for free just for putting that money in. And again, you don't have to keep your crypto in Celsius. You can get that promo code, the reward and everything, and then you can send that over to some other exchange or even a cold storage wallet for more security, right? But as you guys can see right here, they have a bunch of promo codes and they're always adding new ones. So that is the first reason, and to me is a huge one because I've never seen before a crypto exchange that just literally gives you free crypto, right? The standard is literally just $10 worth of Bitcoin, but Celsius is another level. So the second reason why Celsius is the best crypto app in my opinion, I'm going to bring you right here to the reward rates. You click that right here on the app. And the second reason is very simple. The reward rates, the yield that you get on your crypto for holding it in Celsius is at the top, very competitive with other exchanges out there, if not the first one, okay? So as you guys can see right here, 5.35% APY for Ethereum, for leaving your Ethereum on there. You have Bitcoin 6.2%. I think that's like the biggest one when you compare it to like Voyager or a couple other ones out there, Nexo and all that stuff. So just by looking right here at the Celsius, all the cryptos that they have in Celsius, you can earn a yield on it. Okay, Cardano 4%, pretty competitive. And they have a bunch of other cryptos over here. And the best part in my opinion, which is also part of the second reason, is the fact that you'll get this yield based on weekly. So it's not monthly that you'll get that free crypto just for holding it on the app, like Voyager, a couple other ones that you get based on monthly. Celsius is based on weekly. So it's compounding weekly, which in my opinion is a lot better because every single week you have a little bit more crypto instead of having to wait for the month to come in. This is my favorite place to hold my Bitcoin, earning a yield of 6.2%, Ethereum 5.35%. Very competitive, very high compared to these other exchanges out there. You can compare them and you'll see that Celsius is the top one. They also have 10.51% on Matic if you're a fan of Polygon. And for stablecoin, USD coin, 8.88%. Very competitive. I think the other ones are around that range as well. You have USD Tether and a couple other ones here. And moving on to reason number 3, the last reason here why to me Celsius is the best crypto app is one that's actually very underrated. And it's kind of 2 reasons into one. And that is that the withdrawals on Celsius are free. And going along with that, there's no locking periods to withdraw your crypto. So this to me is a huge thing because I can withdraw my crypto out of Celsius anytime I want, no lockup periods, and it's free. right? When you compare it to Voyager, Voyager has withdrawal fees, which sucks because let's say you want to withdraw USD coin or some other crypto, you pay $10, $3, $5 based on that crypto. So that definitely adds up. And on top of that, there's no lockup periods. So for example, Gemini is another one where you can earn yield on your crypto with Gemini Earn. But to withdraw it, there's a lockup period, right? You put in Gemini Earn, and then when you want to take that out, you got to wait like 3 to 5 days to basically get that crypto and then withdraw it. And some of the exchanges out there even has longer lockup periods, but Celsius doesn't have those lockup periods or withdrawal fees. So this is another huge reason why to me Celsius is my favorite crypto app and the best crypto app in my opinion to hold your crypto. So yeah guys, these are my huge 3 reasons. Obviously there's many more other reasons. Celsius being an amazing company, very transparent with its customers. There's a Facebook crypto group of Celsius that you can join and chat with other people that have Celsius. And if I convince you guys, use my referral code and get $50 free worth of Bitcoin when you follow the steps. And you guys can watch the video on how to do it step by step in detail that I'll leave right up here in the cards. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Join my free crypto group, my free Reddit group, and check out my Patreon if you guys want to support. And thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.